What is JSON? JSON is an acronym to JavaScript Object Notation. It's a universal data exchange format that can be used in many programming languages. Today JSON is used for API interactions. Let's look at a small example. My favorite API provides a random joke about Chuck Norris. And we can see that the server is responding with the data in JSON format. As you can see, data in JSON are structured, and this structure very resembles a Python dictionary or JavaScript object. All data are stored in JSON format as keys and values. And so, if you want to work with JSON, you need to know how to work with Python dictionaries. And obviously, we have two typical operations. We need to convert JSON data to Python dictionary and vice versa. We have to convert a Python dictionary to JSON format. I want to copy this example to a clipboard. And then let's create a new Python script. And I am pasting here the JSON data I copied from this site. Let's look at its type. And it's a string. To convert this JSON string to a Python dictionary, we have to use a Python JSON module. It's a part of standard Python library, and so no need to install it, just import. And also I want to import the pprint function to print on the dictionaries. And the JSON module has the loads function. This S letter at the end of the method's name stands for string. And the method's name stands for load string. So let's pass into it the string JSON variable and save the returned value to the data variable. Let's look at the type of the data variable and let's print it. And we can see that the data variable is a Python dictionary with this content. And now we can work with this data in Python because now it's a Python dictionary. And by the way, the website that responded with this JSON could be written in any language. It could be written with JavaScript or Java or Ruby, with Ruby on Rails, for example, and so on. And actually doesn't matter because the JSON format is a universal format. And now let's get the joke. The dictionary has the value key. Let's get it, as usual. And we can see the value of the value key. It's a dictionary too. And it has the joke key, which value we can get the same way. That's it. And now let's modify a bit the dictionary. Let's add a new key to it. Let's say the likes key. And of course I have to add the likes key to the values dictionary. Data value, it's a dictionary, gets a new key likes. And to create the key, I have to assign the value to it. Let's say that this joke will have 100 likes. And then let's print the data variable. And we can see that the data dictionary, its value dictionary, got the likes key. Then to save this new dictionary to a JSON format, to send it to a front end, for example, we have to use the dumps function from the JSON module. The dumps name stands for dump string, that's write string. The first argument is what I want to save, what I want to dump, and for example I want to use indentation at 2 spaces. And to save new data dictionary to a JSON file, we can use the dump function from the JSON module. But firstly we have to create a file and open it for writing. So let's do it. To create a file we have to use the with the context manager and then to call the open function. that will try to open the data.json file if it exists. Otherwise, the open function will create a new file. After that, let's save the opened for writing file object to the f variable. After that, let's call the dump function. Its first argument is the data we want to save. It's the new JSON dictionary. The second argument is where we want to save it. It's the open for writing a file object, the f variable. And I want to have the indentation level of 2 spaces. And we can see the data.json file with a nice looking JSON object. The same way we can load data from a JSON file. I have a Telegram channel where you can find some useful material for learning. And if you like this Python JSON tutorial, leave a like. If you have a question or a suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.